Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naresh. So in this video we will see one of the new feature which has been introduced in Selenium 4, that is to take a screenshot of an element. Yes, so the screenshot utility is already available in Selenium 3, but in that you can only take the screenshot of full screen. But now with Selenium 4 you can take the screenshot of an element. So let's start. So I have opened the IntelliJ, and first I want to show you the code which I have written before to take a screenshot of full screen. So this is the code. This is a simple Java class, and in that there is a method main, and you can see that I have set a system property because I want to use the Chrome driver, and after that I have just initialized the driver and then open a website through driver.get. And then there's the implicit wait which I have put, and after that I am just casting the driver into the take screenshot interface, and I am creating an object of that. And after that, through that object which is created by casting the driver, through that I have created a screenshot by calling the method getScreenshotAs. So this was the method which was already available with us till Selenium 3, but now from Selenium 4 I would be able to take screenshot of an element. So here we can do that. So here also I have just created a blank class, and in that I can, there's a blank method main which is public static void main, and I can just write the code for taking a screenshot. So first I will go ahead and I will try to download the WebDriver for the WebDriver exe, through which I can control my browser. And for that, as I have told in previous video, it's not necessary that we have to write this line of setting a property, because this is the manual way first to download the Chrome driver exe. But if I want to automatically download the Chrome driver.exe, so I have to put something like this, which is WebDriver manager, okay, dot Chrome driver dot setup. Okay, and also you have to make sure that when you want to use this API, you should have a jar file either downloaded and configured with the project, or if you have a Maven project, you can already go to the pom.xml, and this pom.xml you have to put a dependency of the WebDriver manager, which is this. You can easily get that from the Google. And when you're using Selenium 4, you should have a dependency of Selenium 4 also. Okay, so you can just search into the Google for the dependency for Selenium 4 also. You will get 4 dependency. Okay, so if you go to this Maven repository.com and go to Selenium Java, okay, now you can see that till now we have just alpha version, but very soon Selenium 4 would be available to use, but till that time you can use this alpha version. So if you click on that, this is the dependency which you get, which you have to put in your pom.xml. So I already have that, so I don't have to put it back. And the same way you can just put it this for the WebDriver manager also. Okay, so if you go to Google and if you type WebDriver manager, you can get that also. Okay, alright, so this was our first line through which it can automatically download the WebDriver.exe, and after that I need to initialize. So what I will do, I will just write WebDriver new, and I want to use Chrome, so I will write Chrome driver. Okay, and then just we will open one website, that is https www.google.com. okay, so this will open a website for me, and then I need to go ahead and I will see that is there any element which I can get there on website. So let's type that. So google.com, and this is a search box where I want to type and I want to take a screenshot. So first I will see what is the locator of the search box is. So if you see that there are many things in this, so let me use the name. Okay, so what I will do here, I will say driver dot find element and here I can give by dot name, and name, let me just check again. So the name here was Q. Okay, so I will just put Q here, and because I need to fetch this element, so I have to store that somewhere. So I will store it, and I will give it name as element equal to. Okay, so this will fetch the element for me, and I want to type something here, so I will write element dot send keys. Okay, and I can give something like ABCD or maybe automation. Okay, so this is the way I would just go ahead and write something, and after that I want to take a screenshot. So here, if you remember, in our previous code we have cast the driver, and then we have used this get screenshot as, but now there is no need for that. What we can do, we can directly write element dot, and now get screenshot is available at the element level also. Okay, and here you can just write the file you want, so it would be output dot file. So this will get a screenshot. So this will take a screenshot of that element, and now I want to store it somewhere, so I will store in some file. I need to give. So now this will store my screenshot into the variable source file. Okay, and now what I need to do, because this is just stored in the memory and I have to store it into some physical file, so I will use file utils.copy class. So it would be file utils.copy file, and here I will give the source file, and then I will give new. Okay, so here I can give my file name. It would be something like x.png, and I want to store it into my root folder, so I will give a dot and a slash, and after that I will just go ahead and do driver dot quit. Okay, so that will quit my browser. So let's go ahead and let's see if it store it into any place, or it take a screenshot or not. So I'm doing a right click and I'm taking run, stop and rerun. Let's see. Okay, it has opened the browser and it has write something, and after that it is gone. So let's see, I'm just refreshing it and it should be X. So yeah, we have a file, and if you see, it take a screenshot. So right now it's missing one character here, but maybe it was too fast. If you put some kind of a wait, it should type that and then take a screenshot. So basically we are able to take a screenshot of an element which was not possible in Selenium 3 before, and this feature has been introduced in Selenium 4 and also patched to the older version, like latest version of Selenium 3. So even though it has been introduced in Selenium 4, but people can use it, so because it was stable, so it has been patched back to Selenium 3 also. So you would be able to see this method now in Selenium 3 too, in the latest patch only. Okay, so that's it from my side. I hope it was a good learning for you. So have a great day and happy learning.